The overall goal of this protocol is to show the proof of concept of a humidity sensor based on a silver zeolite polymer composite prepared via spray coating.
This video can help solve problems in the material science field, such as the lack of direct responsive humidity sensors. Therefore, we propose a humidity sensor based on zeolite polymer composites.
The main advantage of this technique is that it's an easy and cost-effective way to produce a humidity sensor, which can be reused multiple times.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Bjorn, Dieu, a technician from our group.
To begin this procedure, pre-treat the zeolite materials as outlined in the text protocol. Then dissolve 13.76 grams of lithium nitrate in 2 liters of deionized water. Pour 0.5 liters of this lithium nitrate solution into a 1 liter high-density polyethylene flask. Add 3 grams of the pre-treated sodium Lind type A zeolite. Then agitate the flask overnight at room temperature using an end-over-end shaker oven. After agitation is complete, filter the suspension using a Buchner funnel. Wash the recovered powder 3 times with deionized water. Then mix the powder with 0.5 liters of fresh lithium nitrate solution in a clean 1 liter HDPE flask. Agitate, filter, and wash as before. Repeat this process 4 additional times. Next, heat the recovered zeolite powder in a muffle oven overnight at 400